Good morning. It's currently about 7:30, and I've been awake. It feels like sometimes most of the night, but you also have to bear in mind I was in bed by 7:30, so that's lots of hours. Is it 4, 5, 6, 7? That's about 14 hours. Yeah, 4:30. Right? Yeah, it's about 15 hours in the hammock. Oh, it's it's very cold when I'm hanging outside the hammock like this. But when I'm actually under my oven ready ground quilt feet thingy, yeah, that kicked actually last night. Yeah, I had some visitors last night. Some biggish ones from the sounds of it. God, that is fucking freezing. But then it is, pretty much getting toward the end of the last week in December. So yeah, it is a bit on the nippy side. And I'm on top of a hill. And in that direction is Wales, just across the estuary. So it's pretty breezy. I could drop this down. I could just untie it from those 3 points and drop it down here, and that would give me even more coverage. But I like the breeze. And I just snuggle underneath me tin foil thingy, and yeah, nice bit of coverage. But it's not so much sleep I come up here for, it's get away from these electronic signals and rest. Because when you're in the house, you can't just stay in bed all day. Well, I can't. So when I wake up, I've got to, do my morning exercise, just have a wank or two, and then get up. And then it's just going to sit in front of the TV or something, or just stagnating. At least up here, I'm doing it the same, but I'm doing it in such a way that I'm not getting battered by radio signals from the TV, from the Wi-Fi, from everything else. Oh, it's nice stress relief. Oh, my wrists are screaming in pain though. It's like from holding the phone, because my wrists are exposed to the surgery scars, because my wrists are exposed to the cold. They're really hurting, so I'm going to have to snuggle back down again. Rest in me, I can handle it, but worry about surgery, like on my wrists and stuff, they really, really hurt. It's damage to the joints. Oh well, snuggle back down for a bit. I am tempted to go in, put the kettle on, get the fire going. Yes, it does look pretty having a fire going in the darkness, but I can't be asked. I'm not that desperate for coffee. Okay, it's 8:30. I've now been abed. Oh look, sunlight. 16 hours. Where is the sunlight coming from? Over there somewhere. I'm a little bit too insulated with my stuff to see it properly. Woohoo! So, yeah. My arm is freezing, so I've got to have my arm out the hammock to basically put the phone under the hammock to see the sunlight. Oh. Yeah, I keep thinking, yes, it would be more snugglier if I was in a tent with an air mattress and stuff, but it wouldn't be as comfy dangling, being on the ground. Plus, I'd be worried about things sleeping on me like sheep and goats and cows and rats. Oh, but it would be out of the wind. Okay, need to get up, get dressed. Oh, fuck me, that's a cold wind. The thing is, getting up is not exactly a 2-minute job, as I am bollock naked. So I'm going to dig out all my clothing to put on. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, fire time, I think.